Hey, this is James over at Realty Candy. I want to show you something really cool that we've been working on. This is an AI search widget. It works on any website, and it's really easy for your clients to use. Check it out. I want to show you a new tool we've been working on. We're really excited about it. So this is AI search widget that you can put on any website. This will work on Wix, WordPress, HighLevel, Squarespace, any website. Let me just dive in and show it to you real quick. You go over here to the AI search tool, and I'll give you the link in the comments below. And then you just grab this code snippet. You just hit copy here. And then I'm going to take it over to a HighLevel page. This is our team page. And so I've got a space here. Let's add, let's see here, if we can just find a little code, add custom code, open the code editor, pop that code in here, and then I'll save these changes. And now when I load this page, let's reload it. This is just a demo site here. It gives me an AI property search. So this is set up to search in Virginia, for example. So I can put homes in Mineral with 4 bedrooms or more. So it's going to take a look at our search. And it's pretty quick. You can see it gave me 13 results. You know, one of them's $2.7 million there. And so maybe I'll just put and under oopsies, just put 500K, to make it a little trickier instead of 500,000, but you can see how it's going to analyze this pretty quickly. So there we go. Now we have 5 properties that match this search. I can click on any of these. This is pulling all the data real time from your MLS. And so this is a really powerful tool. And as people start to add more and more features to it, it's just super easy. Let me just show you real quick. So then you also have a search history here where I can go back through if I'm an agent and I can see, okay, it looks like I've made these searches. I can see what people are looking for. So for example, in this case, I can say, okay, there's homes in Mineral with 4 bedrooms, homes, blah, blah, blah. Show me in homes in Mineral. Here's some in Hampton. Here's some more in Hampton. Here's some more in Mineral. So I can start seeing, wow, looks like people are looking for a lot of stuff in Mineral. Maybe I make some saved searches where I focus a little bit more on Mineral, and maybe I focus on Hampton or whatever. I can also search for specific information. So if I say, well, I just want to see the ones that say something about Hampton, well, now it's just going to show me these 3 searches because those are the ones that are related to Hampton. And I can see, different types of searches, when these were done, how many tokens are used. And so right now, we're providing this as a free service to our clients. You can get unlimited tokens for the month of January. And then we're going to figure out some ways to set this up so you can manage that a little bit better. You can also change the colors on the widget that are displaying and change text size. So it's got styling and everything on it. This is going to be really powerful, and we think it's going to help leads that come to your website be able to search in a meaningful way using AI. Now, hold your hats on because we're going to release another product here in the next 2 weeks that's just an AI search widget. It's going to be like a search bar you're going to be able to put in your website. So keep an eye out for that and start testing this. This is great tool, people to search using AI on your website.